Hi guys and welcome to the educational intraday chart analysis video for today. So in this video we will analyze few of the price action based chart and show you how the pattern is, and also I'll be sharing you the logic at the end of the day chart as well. So watch the video till the end to get all the information, and also we'll show you how the Nifty 50 is performing for today. And please note this video is only for a educational purpose and there is no advices in this video. Yes, this is the Nifty 50 chart. So today's market, so it's opening at 24,340 as of now. Okay, so we can see here once the market has opened, it has come down. So we can see the lowest point what it has touched as of now is around 24,268. Okay, so let's see, will the market make this low point as this support for today, or will it break the support or come down? Okay, so guys, yes, now getting back to the price action chart analysis. So let's see, will the price increase from here or will it decrease? Okay, so as of now we can see here a big green candle has been formed. So that means there was a big volume towards the upper side is what it represents. So as you guys can see here, the price is going above the resistance level what we have marked. So let's continue to observe, will it be able to break the resistance level and still go up, or will it take the reversal? Okay, so let's wait and watch how the price will perform in this particular chart as of now. Okay, so yes, as of now from the support level to the next key resistance level what it has marked, so it has gone up till there. Okay, so now let's see till where it might perform or where it will take the resistance or reversal. Okay, so as you guys can see here, the price is still increasing in this particular price action chart what we can see here. And okay, so now I can see a red candle which is being formed there. Okay, so I think it is trying to give a reversal from here, but anyway it has touched one of our key resistance level which we had marked. Okay, so from that level I think we are getting a bit of a reversal here guys. Okay, and also guys, now let's look at Nifty as well. Okay, so if you guys can see the Nifty here, it has tried to go above the opening price around 10 o'clock, and later we can see around 10:30 now it has come below the opening price again, and again it's trying to go above the opening price. So I think the market is bit of a range bounded as of now. So let's see how the market will perform towards the end of the day for today. So guys, now let's analyze one more price action chart for the educational purpose, and in this particular chart this price has touched one of a support level, and from that support level let's see, will the price increase or will it go reversal? Okay, so let's see if it's again able to touch one of a key resistance level from its support level. Okay, so I'll be showing you the end of the day chart as well, so to make you understand where the support is and how did we analyze this chart. So watch the video till the end. So first, now let's observe and analyze this example chart. So let's see, will the price increase or go down, or how it will perform. So as of now I can see here the price is bit range bounded. Okay, so anyway, let's wait and watch how it will perform. Okay, so if a green candle comes with a big volume, then we might see the price will touch the next key resistance level what we have. Okay, so let's see, will it touch that green highlighting highest point what we have. So if that is touched, then that means the key resistance level is touched. Okay guys, if you guys are interested in improving your trading skills for educational purpose and knowledge, you can contact on the Telegram ID mentioned on the screen for more educational detail. Okay, and yes, as you guys can see here, the green candle has been formed. It has almost touched the key resistance level what it had there. Okay, so guys, now let me show you the support level how we had marked, and a bit of a logic about this price action chart what we have just analyzed and what we have just seen in live market for today. Okay, so guys, yes, this is the first price action chart analysis, that is the end of the day chart analysis. So this is where the support was taken, as you guys can see here. So from the previous day the price has been decreased and it has touched this level. So this level has acted as one of a support level. Okay, so if we come back here we can see this level was touched couple of days back as well. Okay, so it has touched 2 to 3 times. So from here the price has been increased. So I had marked the key resistance level till here, but we can see here it has given a big breakout, and the momentum towards the upper side has given, and it has went untouched this maximum resistance level what it had for today, and from there a bit of a reversal has been happened. Okay, so this is how this particular chart has been performed. Okay, so this is the end of the day chart analysis. Looking for the end of the day chart analysis of nifty 50 here. So as you guys can see here, so this is how the market has performed. So today the market has opened somewhere around 24,342. So somewhere over here is where the market had opened, and after opening we can see at the opening itself it has come down, and it has made its lowest point as 24,268. After touching this lowest point we can see the market has gone up till here around 24,395 almost, and from there we can see it has retraced back and come down, and later again after 10:45 it has tried to go above the opening price, but it couldn't go up further high. So again it has come down. So we can see here a bit of a range bounded momentum was there till almost 2 to 230 here. Okay, so it was performing in this same range itself, and later at the end of the day after 245 it has given a breakout, and again it has touched this highest point of 24,395, and it has not given a breakout above this highest point of 24,395 what we had. So from this highest point it has touched as a resistance level for today, and again it has come down and closed around 24,340 for today. So overall this is how the market has performed. So we can see here a bit of a range bounded momentum and a bit of a bullish momentum also was there for today's market. So overall we can see here the market was volatile for today, and also in between it was bit range bounded. So this is the overall market highlights for today guys, and this video is only for educational purpose. So I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you guys in the next one very soon.